Okay, so here's another doorbell tip. I need to pre-drill these holes so that the screws don't strip out. They're really kind of cheap, and I don't have any drill bits on me, but I do have a 15 gauge finish. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take a side cutters and chop the head off. Then you're going to want to lock it into your chuck. And what's nice about these 15s is that has a nice little cutting edge head on it. So we're going to line it up and punch it in. Take your screw, hit the hole, kind of got to look at it, and screw it. Now while I have my other position locked, I'm going to punch in the nail. There you can kind of see the cutting head on it.